Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and welcome to my channel. This is the 13th day, December 13th, of the Advent calendars. So I have the Ipsy Advent calendar, and we used the whole top shelf already. We've been through 12 days. Can you believe we're halfway through? So the bottom shelf in here looks like this. It's the whole box, and then it lays in the bottom, so that tray is removed. So there is 13 right here. So let me take it out. This box got a little bit damaged in shipping, but it was good enough to keep it nicely cushioned. So that's good. So let me try to move that a little bit over to the side. Here is 13. It feels very, very lightweight. It almost feels empty. Let's see what's in there. All right, let's see. Oh, we have a KVD item. Long wearing eyeliner. Let me show it to you and then I'll take it out of the box. It says long wear gel eyeliner, crayon gel. And it is in magnet gray, it says. So let's see what that looks like. I love KVD products. And, oh, this is pretty. Oh, it is. It's different. I like it. It's not black. It really is like they called it magnet gray. To me, that's like a gunmetal gray. It is sort of pushed in there a little bit. This is the kind of thing that, well, I was going to say I have to sharpen it, but whoa, maybe it's it turns. It turns. Okay, cool. So let me I don't want to break the tip. Let's see what it looks like. I think that's Alexa talking, I'm not sure. Oh, I like that. That's nice. Very nice. I like that a lot. And I got this calendar from Betty Vick, a wonderful subscriber. And then I'm going to try to move the camera a little bit over here so you can see the Beauty Space NK calendar. And we're looking for 13 in here. Oh, it's big. It's a big one right here. Well, I don't know if you can see it there. There it is, okay. It's heavy too. It says, wave goodbye to weary winter skin. And then these open like this. This is big, whatever it is, it's big. Oh, it's Necessaire brand. I'm not sure if that's exactly how you say it. This looks like the front. Necessaire. It is Care for Your Body, the body serum. And let me get the little booklet here that tells us about it. It says, formulated with 5 molecular weights of hyaluronic acid, this body serum works to provide multi-level hydration to help minimize eczema, crepiness, and dryness. That's really nice. I do have eczema from time to time. I used to have it severely and I don't anymore, but it does flare up once in a while. So this is very nice. Wow, this is huge. Fragrance-free, which would be eczema. You really have to be careful with what you use with eczema. So look at how nice and big that is. It is 150 milliliters, 5.1 fluid ounces. This is like a hard plastic. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, it's a nice pump. Very nice. For Your Body, hyaluronic acid hydrating treatment. That is nice. So, the body serum is a daily hyaluronic acid treatment for the skin. And then it says the 5 molecular, like we just read. Okay. Okay. It says, apply all over body or in areas where increased hydration is needed. Follow or mix with moisturizer. Okay. So you can mix it with, it feels rather liquidy. Let's see if I'm going to pump a little bit out. It takes sometimes when you know, to prime something. I was going to say, I think, no, I thought it was coming out. I don't know if it's, I might not be able to check it out just yet because I'm hearing clicking like maybe it locks. So I'm not real sure. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. It's full pump now. It takes a minute to prime it. Well, I might not be able to show you. I was going to try to show. It feels rather thin. It's hard to tell. But I believe this is in the, oh, here, there it goes, there it goes. It's not as thin as I thought. It was feeling almost watery. Yeah, no scent. Okay, it's very nice, very nice. So I'm excited about that because I do have troubles with eczema at different times of the year, and sometimes my skin in the winter can be pretty bad. Oh, that feels nice. It goes in very quickly and it's not sticky. You know, I don't like lotions that are sticky. This went right in. Very, very nice. Well, thank you so much to Space NK. Thank you all for stopping by, and count your blessings, y'all. Bye-bye. Day 13, the KVD Tattoo Pencil Liner. And then we have day 13 of the Space NK, and that is the Necessaire, the body serum. That was really nice. Nice big bottle.